Optimizing your Squarespace website for search engines is crucial for increasing visibility and attracting traffic. Here's a concise guide to get you started. Set up SEO-friendly URL slugs. When creating pages or posts, edit the URL slug to be descriptive and relevant. Keep it short, using keywords that reflect the content. Utilize page titles and descriptions. In the SEO settings for each page, include a compelling title and meta description. This helps search engines understand the content and influences click-through rates. Optimize images. Use descriptive file names and alt text for images to improve accessibility and SEO. This helps search engines index your images effectively. Add header tags. Use header tags appropriately in your content to structure it clearly. H1 should be reserved for your main title, while H2 and H3 can be used for subsections. Create quality content. Regularly publish high-quality, relevant content that provides value to your audience. Incorporate keywords naturally into your content. Mobile optimization. Ensure your site is mobile-friendly, as search engines prioritize mobile usability. Monitor performance. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to check performance and make necessary adjustments to your SEO strategy.